Hello everyone and welcome to the channel How Do I Do It. Now I bring you this tip, so you can make ice packs to cool your cooler and not drip. For when you go on a road trip, transport food, or when you are making a barbecue, and you want to keep everything cold, but you do not want to be dealing with the water that is left, and that at the last minute is all dirty, since everyone put their hand in to grab the ice, or get their sodas, or beers. This is very easy, and with things that we already have at home, or are very cheap, since you can get them in single price stores. We are only going to need a sponge like those that we use to wash dishes, that does not have the fiber because we will not need that. Try to get a thicker one than the one I have here, and have more than one, so you can have several saved for when you use them. Why do we do it with sponges? Very easy, since these can store a lot of liquid and are perfect for what we need. And finally, a resealable plastic bag, which you can also get in stores for a single price and by the package. And nothing else. Well, obviously we will need water, but that's all. We go to the sink and turn on the water, and we proceed to completely soak the sponge. Leave it for a while since we want it to be completely wet. It doesn't matter if it drains, because that's what we want. And once it's soaked, we put it in a resealable bag. In this case, it was a little small, and here what you can do is put 1 or 2 more sponges in to fill it, or fold the bag so that it looks like a rectangle. Try to get all the air out of the bag, so it doesn't take up more space. But it has to look more or less like this, right? Once soaked and placed in a resealable bag, the only thing left to do is put it in a freezer and wait until it turns into ice. This can take several hours depending on your freezer, so have more than one so they are ready when you want to use them. Now that the necessary time has passed, we check that it is completely frozen, since this is how it should be to last inside our cooler. If it is still a little watery, leave it longer. As you can see, this is made of stone and can now be used. We take our cooler or wherever we want to put the ice pack, since they can also be used when we get hurt or want to cool down, etc. But in this case, we put the drinks, food, or something else that we want to cool and put the package inside it. As I told you before, make more so that you have several and cool everything faster and for a longer time. As you can see, the benefit of these packages is that all the water in the sponge will be trapped in the resealable bag, and we won't have a mess in our cooler since there is actually no ice, and water will not form inside it. And you can also put them back in the freezer, although I recommend doing it with new water each time. Aside from this tip, you won't spend almost anything since we have everything in our houses. And if we want to have many more packages, we will only have to buy sponges, and the truth is they are very cheap since they also come in packages in stores for a single price. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Like it on the Facebook page and check out the other videos because I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.